What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Steve's Random Stuff. Hey, today I am out here in the driveway. Gonna do something a little different today, and I'm going to change the color of my wheels to black. I've got this product online. It's called Hyperdip. See that there? Hyperdip. It's from dipyourcar.com, and decided to give this a try before spending $1,200 on a new set of wheels, and see how long it lasts. Watched a bunch of videos, manufacturers videos and other YouTuber videos about the process of hyper dipping the wheels, and thought I'd give it a try. So the whole kit, which includes 5 cans of the Hyperdip spray, includes 1 can of the Hyperdip pre-dip spray, which is a cleaning solution, the dip release, which is put around the tires, so that after you spray them you can pull that stuff off. Came up with the microfiber cloth, and then if you can see in here, came with these plastic bags that you put in to cover the rotors and calipers behind the wheels before you spray. They're just basically plastic bags, like garbage bags, and so to get those on a little bit better, I slid them down the side, just kind of open them up, and then I can fit them in there around the rotors and calipers, and got everything cleaned up. I've already gone through and did the pre-dip spray and cleaned all the wheels. I just have to put on the dip release around the rubber so that comes off, and then of course I'll start spraying. Now manufacturer says to spray 4 to 5 really light coats, like just a dusting on the wheels, just to get them going started, and then do another 4 or 5 coats that are heavy on that. So that'll be the process once I get everything finished prepped and ready. They also say do it when it's at least 70 degrees, and it's getting about 70 degrees right now outside, although we got some overcast today, but should be good. I think I drove the truck around or down to Petaluma and back, and I think we're good as far as temperature goes. It's actually getting kind of hot and muggy out here, so it's not baking hot. One thing you probably don't want to do is do it in the hot sun. I saw one YouTuber had done them like in the sunshine in Florida when it was 100 degrees out, and he said it's not recommended to do it in direct sunlight when it's that hot, but it's pretty cool today, at least 70 degrees, so we'll see how it goes. I'll finish getting this prepped, like I said, and check back with you later and see how it's going, and hope for the best. I've never done this before. This is my first time doing anything with hyper dip or plastic dip, any kind of you know, changing color on any components. You can use this stuff on your badging, you know, like for the Ram badging or anything that's chrome. You can black out anything. This stuff does come in different colors. It comes in different sheens. This is I think a kind of a matte black finish. They also have ones called piano black, which is a gloss finish as well. But anyways, everything's cleaned up. Like I said, just gonna get this finished and have at it, and hopefully throughout the day, after multiple coats, probably end up with at least 10 coats on there, including the 4 or 5 dust coats on there. Should be nice and black. So we'll talk to you soon. All right, I've been checking it for a while. Going on for the first coat. Just a dusting coat. I did tape off the valve stems with some painter's tape, just so I don't get anything on that. Gone through and wiped everything down, so I think I'm good to go. So that's the first coat for that tire. Hit over the next tire. Alrighty, a little update. I got I think 4 coats on these right now. Starting to look good. I did put on this N95 mask because the stuff is pretty strong smelling. So definitely want some protection for that. But yeah, looking pretty good. Like I said, 4 coats on there so far. Almost used the whole can. Just kind of going around. The challenge is a little bit of a breeze. So I'll have to put up a little wind barrier on the other side of the truck where the breeze comes in. But anyways, we're coming along little by little. First 4 coats. It didn't take that long. It's like 15 minutes between coats, so it's pretty quick. Anyways, we'll check back with you later. All right, folks, I am done with the second heavy coat on the wheels. They're actually looking really good. As far as the heavy coat goes, you want to get it on there just until it starts to like shine on there, but not quite to the point where it's going to run. So I've had a couple runs on there, but I think over time those will get covered up. But actually looking pretty good. Like I said, 2 heavy coats on there right now, and I'll probably do 1 or probably 2 more heavy coats. Make sure everything is good and covered, and gets a nice thick layer of this Hyperdip stuff on the wheel. So anyways, check them out. Looking pretty darn good. And I'll put the information on the product down below in the video description. But next shot I show should be when they're all done. The weather hasn't really gotten better today, but it's kind of stable. It's right about 70 degrees, so thought maybe for sure the sun would come out, but it ain't happening today, I guess. So anyways, is the project for today. And like I said, once I'm done, I'll show you the final product. And thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button as always, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. All right, everybody, that is it for today. The wheels are done. It came out pretty darn good. I do have to say that the dip release stuff that you put on the rubber beforehand really works. That stuff just peeled right off like nothing. I guess just a couple tips is when you put the plastic behind the wheel, make sure it's back far enough off of the edges of the rim. I did have one spot on the other side where the plastic must have been touching like just the back corner of the rim, and when I took the plastic out, it left a silver spot, so I had to touch that up. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I took the tape off of the valve stems. I'll let this sit for overnight before I drive it, just so everything is done and cured. But yeah, really happy with the way they came out. Really good product, simple. It did take most of the day to do, just because you gotta put on so many coats, like 8 or 9 coats, I think. I do four dusting coats, and then I think 5 heavy coats. You do have to be kind of careful in the corners and stuff that you don't get too much so you get runs, but I think they really came out good. It's really a different look on the truck now. My wife suggested that I do some of the badging on the hood and maybe the front emblem. I used about 3.5 cans, I think. Yeah, 3.5 cans. I still have a 1.5 cans left of the spray, so I got plenty to do additional things, and who knows, she might want me to do the wheels on her 4Runner. Anyways, that's it. Check them out. Looks pretty good. See how it looks now. A little different look from on the truck than previously. Let's see how that is on the back wheel. Yeah, it looks really cool. Looks like they're made that way. So yeah, I recommend the product. Like I said, first time for me ever doing anything like this. Pretty simple job. It just does take quite a bit of time. I still need to clean the tire to get that release stuff off, but I'll probably do that tomorrow after everything has a time to cure. But anyways, that is the project for the day on the Ram 1500. Looking forward to get back out on the road. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all next time.